Elementary School is just one of the projects that the town will have to deal with in the upcoming years. But what exactly needs to be done and how much will it cost? Needham School Committee members tried to get the answers to those questions and more at their recent meeting. Here's Steve Bagley with the details.
With summer over and school bells back to ringing throughout Needham, the school committee hit the ground running Tuesday, September 1st for an update on the Newman School project presented by Permanent Public Building Committee Chairman George Kent. Kent had some chilling news for the committee.
The current cost estimate based on all of these, and I'm going to give you a range because I don't know what it is until we finish going through this over the next few days, is in the range of about $27 to $29 million.
A significant increase from the previous estimates of around $22 million. The school committee was presented the new cost estimate with little time to process. At the end of the month, the state school building authority will decide how much money to give the town for the Newman project, and the school committee has only one more meeting in September to discuss the scope of the Newman project. School committee members voiced frustration with the increased costs and the abbreviated timeline.
27 to 29 million, that's a sobering number, and I think that it is it's very incumbent upon this committee to look at any aspect of that project that is not necessary for the health and safety of the children, and to consider it in light of the economic circumstances that we're in and in light of the whole package. And I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed that I don't have that breakout at this point.
Although I know the superintendent said that we would have the hearing on the 15th and have to take a vote under the current schedule, I mean, I will just say, I've already said to the superintendent, and I will say to all of you, I am not comfortable with that. I will not want to take a vote that night. I've indicated to the superintendent that I'm really not willing to take a vote until we have heard from the MSBA and can actually have a discussion that also includes the context of what the cost is to the community.
To meet the deadline, the school committee has until September 15th to talk over the price hike with Needham residents and figure out what they should try to get the state to pay for.
Ultimately, and we can get into this, the plan is to have an override vote in December, January timeframe so that a renovation project can get off the ground in June of 2011.
For the Needham Channel News, I'm Steve Bagley.